Congratulations on your purchase of the Hotronix Dual Air Fusion IQ heat press. To remove your heat press from the shipping crate, begin by locating the quick clip removal tool. The tool will be secured to the shipping crate under one of the quick clips. Begin by carefully prying away the quick clip securing the lid to the crate. Lift off the top of the crate and set it aside. Continue to remove the remainder of the quick clips and setting aside the crate walls. Loosen the ratchet strap shipping tie down, which holds the heat press to the base. Remove the strap from the heat press legs. Carefully cut open the shrink wrap from around the heat press. Remove the laser alignment wizard and the small box containing the power cord, air hose, foot pedal, and warranty information. Once removed from the shipping crate, turn your Hotronix Dual Air Fusion IQ heat press onto the casters on the rear of the heat press. Roll your heat press into the location where you will set it up. Lay the heat press down onto its feet. Due to the weight of the heat press, you will need additional help to lift the press into its final location. Plug the power cord into the side of your heat press. Plug the other end into a 240 volt outlet, protected by a dedicated 15 amp breaker. Attach the hose coming from your air compressor to the heat press. Plug the foot pedal plug into the heat press. Power on your heat press by pressing the black power button located on the side of the heat press. Once the power is on, the control panel display screen will activate. Now that your Hotronix Dual Air Fusion IQ heat press is unpacked and set up, you are ready to begin pressing.